2021 Toyota 4Runner. With less than 56,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. You'll absolutely love all of the included premium features such as side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, four-wheel drive, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, tinted windows, power driver seat, power passenger seat, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, brake assist, keyless start, rear spoiler, keyless entry, front bucket seats, steering wheel audio controls, engine immobilizer, automatic headlights. This is a top-rated dealer. Stop by for a test drive and feel the difference.